Oh my god.
So this is the frog we found.
Oh my god.
What?
I found the gator.
Where is it?
It's over there. Underneath that.
Oh, they're all underneath the water.
Oh, I saw it. I saw its back and then it went under.
Oh,
You didn't see it.
I didn't see it. I was looking at the frog.
We're too late.
All right.
I can't see
All right,
Froggy.
so the froggy's right here.
I can't see it. I'll find it. Froggy.
All right, bye, froggy.
This one's loose too. Look.
Let's see, don't shake it. Okay, so we didn't see any gators.
So we saw you.
Oh, we
You're on
saw-
bird poop. You're on bird poop.
Okay.
Mama,
What?
look, there's also some up.
Oh, that's them fishing over there. I thought I what came up? The lily flower? Oh, a daddy?
No, the daddy.
Oh.
Mama,
See, yes.
the daddy.
Ready? Something's pushing those lily pads out of the way.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here. Just push that one. It's pushing those lily pads. Do you see it?
I see it.
Something's moving. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, what is that? Is that a... Oh, that's a turtle.
Oh my god, it's so weird. It's so weird.
Do you see the turtle, Abby?
Come over
Look.
here.
The turtle's nose is right there. Do you see it?
It's so weird. It's gone.
Oh, see?
See, so
Its shell's moving. Do you see its shell?
Yeah, the
Yeah. Yay! So we saw a froggy and a turtle. Oh, there it is. It's going over here now. Oh, look, it's right here.
Come over here.
Yeah.
It looks weird. It just got something.
Oh, just got a fish maybe?
Follow it.
Oh, that was cool. It's coming on this side probably. Let's go underneath. I don't see it. Oh, it was down here more now. Oh, we found a gator. We found a gator. Oh, my shoe broke. Hopefully I don't have to run.
It's a baby.
Yeah, it's a baby gator.
Wheel.
Right here, Abby, look.
Abby ducked out.
Look, right here. Do you
What's
see?
that?
That's a frog.
Daddy,
Do you see the gator yet?
yeah.
Woo! It's just a baby gator. Yeah. So, guys,
We found the frog. We found the turtle.
and a baby gator.
Where did it go?
Oh, it's moving now. Yeah.
Should I
Where are you
drop
going?
something?
No. Don't drop anything. You can't feed them, otherwise they'll attack people.
No,
Okay.
it's just a stick.
No.